Why I believe workplaces can heal. So let's talk about a situation that I was dealing with involving a particular organization that was experiencing quite a bit of discrimination and racism within the workplace environment. Now, typically when I see something like that, we engage in corporate training services, but not just a one-off training session, but a series of training sessions. So with this particular client, they actually wanted a series of corporate training sessions that would help the organization start to respond to and provide solutions for some of the bullying, the racism, and the discrimination that was really exposing that corporation to a significant amount of liability. When we decided to conduct the training, but then also facilitate some feedback forms for participants to take advantage of and let us know how we're doing, we were really surprised to see that the organization was starting to experience a lot more pride, a lot more trust in the fact that when something happens, there's going to be a real solution to it at the leadership tables. I share this story with you to say this. We can't prevent discrimination and racism and bullying from happening in the workplace environment. But as an employer, it is your duty to respond to those complaints in a bona fide way that will ensure that you continue to maintain a psychologically safe workplace environment. That's where Alphonse Latham LLP can support. If you are experiencing an issue just like this, by all means, feel free to pick up the phone and call us, or you may also email us with the contact information that's available within the description box below.